PyTorch learn deep learning easily and quickly. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to learn artificial intelligence and deep learning, but didn't know where to start, then this video is for you. Today I'm introducing an amazing PyTorch deep learning course that helps you learn AI in a simple, practical, and beginner-friendly way. In this course, you'll learn what deep learning is and how it works. PyTorch from the basics to advanced concepts. Neural networks and artificial intelligence. Computer vision and image recognition. Natural language processing (NLP). Hands-on coding with real-world AI projects. How to build your own AI applications using Python and PyTorch. The best part is that this course focuses on practical learning, so you won't just learn theory, you'll build real AI projects that can improve your skills and career opportunities. Graduation cap. If anyone wants to enroll in this course, a unique discounted link is provided in the video description. Click the link and enroll from there. It is a special discount link, so you can get this course at a very affordable price. Don't miss this opportunity. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest AI, Python, machine learning, and technology videos. Thank you very much for watching. Your support motivates me to create more useful content for you. See you in the next video. Have a great day. If you'd like, I can also write a more viral, energetic YouTube script designed to improve audience retention.
Hello audience, thank you very much to see my videos and support my channel. Keep like and subscribe. If you want to enroll this course, then a discount link is provided on this video description. Go there, click on there and enroll from there with best and discounted price. Give your full support and grow on your life. Thank you.